Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to show external hard drives on Rufus. So the crazy thing is, I've been trying my hardest to find out how to show an external drive in Rufus, and I was really trying to because I was trying to put Windows 11 on here, or I don't know what I was trying to do. But anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug up your external drive, okay, to your computer, okay, and once you do that, you can plug it in once you turn on Rufus, and it should show. But if it doesn't show, you're going to want to hit this arrow here where it says show advanced drive properties and hit list USB hard drives. And then you should be able to see the hard drive show up on Rufus. There you go. It just popped up for me here. Bliss OS definitely does not work on here. But anyway, yeah, so that's how you show the external drives, or for 4 GB and higher hard drives for Rufus other than a flash drive. But let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.